Welcome to Parisian street style. So it's another day, another beautiful day, and I have a really exciting update. Today is like the 23rd of February, and yesterday there was a massive, it was 22, and if you are sensitive to energy, that is a massive portal, and I was feeling all loopy, all kind of weird, and you know, it was a portal, so there's so much energy that comes through in portals. And today I have to announce that I have met my income goals that we set for this year just today. I just had to share that with you. And now I'm going for lunch to my big money club lunch with my girls to celebrate how perfect and what a perfect day to celebrate abundance. And I want to show you quickly. I'm wearing this coat you saw in my haul. If you haven't watched my haul, I'll link it. See ya. I've not felt a month move so fast, have so much momentum, yet be so rich in happenings. It was a month of working hard and playing harder. One thing I noticed that I'm implementing throughout 2022 is taking breaks and changing my environment. It's been an absolute game changer for me. And let me tell you why. January, I went skiing in the Alps with my partner, Frank. And this was, of course, all the seed planting I did beforehand and creating momentum for my business. We did nothing in January, and February was our biggest financial month. And in this time, I believe it's in this magical time, in this magical week when we were away, the seeds that I've been planting and watering germinated during my trip, magically and rapidly sprouting beautiful seedlings. Every month this year, I'm going to do something that takes me away from my normal routine for a few days to skyrocket me into some gorgeous momentum and unfoldings. This repose is something that creates magic within me and within my life. It opens up a possibility that it's not already existing, and that's what I promised myself I'm going to do for the rest of the year, each month. And if you want to hear about March, give this video a like, and I'll see you then. So take care, darlings, and I hope you're having a good one and looking after yourselves. See you in the next one. À la prochaine fois. Bisous.